Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Omii. So in this today's lecture, we are going to learn the concept about slicing. So we are going to more learn this concept and solve one of the problem based on the slicing concept. So look at the basic syntax of the slicing that you are going to look at the start index, then stop and then step. Means you need to jump while you get this step index. The here it is clearly mentioned that start where you need to start and stop where you need to stop, but this stop is not included in that, means it is excluded. And step is means how many jump size you are going to get in that slicing concept. So let's take a simple example. L is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I am going to print. Now it is not mentioned here any of the index, then it will take by default as an 0. So L of 0 to 6, you are going to get these elements 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. All these elements you are going to get. Look towards the second example. Now I had taken text is equal to Python. So print text from 0 to 5. So look here, you are going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 index and you are going to get this PYTHO. And where is that N? It is at an 5 index and it is an excluded. Therefore, it is not mentioned in the output. Another one simple example, text is equal to learn with Omii. Then I have print here an option. Text should be printed from 1 to the 5, but 5 should be excluded. 5 should be not included in the output. Therefore, I get here earn. So if you are going to learn, then you are going to earn. So in this way, we have seen simple examples of the slicing. Now let's move towards the problem statement. So this is the problem statement that you have to count the substring occurrence in the Python. Means you have to count the substring occurrence in the Python. I will firstly elaborate problem statement all clearly. You should understand. Right here, we have to take one the Python string, and we will give it as one of the substring from that string only. And from that, you need to find counts how many times the substring appears in the that particular string. But we have to take two important note that traversal should be from left to the right. Traversal should be from left to the right, not from right to the left. And overlapping of the substrings are allowed. So we are going to get one of the example. Let's see here. The main string is that A B C D C D C. So here the substring is the CDC. Look here, this is one substring CDC and next one substring is that CDC, because we have that overlapping substrings is allowed in this concept. So finally we are going to get an output that is ABC, then BCD, then CDC, DCD and CDC. So we are getting two counts of that our substring, that is CDC and CDC. So in this way, we need to get an our output. So now move to the Python and let's see this how we can solve this. Come to the string. I have taken here string as an banana. Now substring is here as an ana. Our string is banana and our substring is ana. Now we have to take mention here count is equal to initially 0. So we doesn't have any count. So initial our count will be 0. Now we have put here the for loop. For loop I in the range length of string minus 2, means the length of string is that 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So the substring size is an 3, means here I have taken the inputs, but you can take inputs from the user itself. I have taken already an input. Now I am going to print the string that is from I to the I plus 3, because we are having the substring of 3. Now look here, in the if statement it's clearly that If that string is equal to the substring, then count is going to be increased by 1, and we are going to print the count. And if this is going to print now we are the, yes, we are the right. We are going in the proper way. So in this way, when I run this concept, so we are going to get and this output. Look here, we are going to get the three three same three three sub means three index of substring, that is ba and ban. Then ana, we have got one substring, that is one. Now we are yes, right? Now look towards the na and nan, and then now second one is that a and ana. Now this is then second. So we are going to get this in this output. We are going to get just two string, that is from here a and ana, and this from here a and ana. This means we are going to get this two string. Now we can see by using and another input. Let's take this similar as an input we mentioned in this example. Copy please. I am taking not C D C. Yeah. Now I will run this. So look here, we are going to get an output, that is CDC. The count is here 1, and we are got right. Now second one CDC is here it 1. Then this is an count number 2, and yes, we are right. So in this way we have solved this all the problems. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys. Happy learning. Now stay tuned. We are coming with next lecture.